Hi, my name is Rivers. D. Rivers. I'll be your guide through Riverdi Display's world. Riverdi Pickups, Projected Capacitive Touch Screens. In this video, let's take a tour on our innovative projected capacitive touch screens. As a standard, we offer screen sizes from 3.5 inch to 10.1 inch, fully equipped with integrated industrial-grade controllers. Projected capacitive touchscreen is one of the most advanced technologies available. At the same time, it's very popular in most handheld devices. We offer this technology in all our displays, like STM32 Embedded displays, high brightness series with RGB, LVDS and MIPI DSI interfaces, HDMI displays and EVE4 Intelligent displays. What we do is design and manufacture those displays and touch screens. It means that they are ready for shipment from our stock. If you need a customized solution, we will design, develop, and manufacture it for you. To make it even better, we can add custom cover glass and graphics. What are the cover glass thickness options? All our standard industrial touch panels come with 1.1 mm cover glass. This is the base we use in our touch and smart displays. Such thickness is perfect in the most common applications. But what if you need a thicker cover glass? If your project requires thicker cover glass, feel free to contact us. Our experts will customize any desirable thickness ranging from 0.5 mm to 10.0 mm and even more. We also offer special materials, like the durable Gorilla Glass. It's just a matter of customization and tooling. And what if you need a demo sample or a thicker glass solution without any additional tooling? Then consider our ready-to-test 4.3 inch or 7.0 inch pickups with thicker cover glass options. Let us know what you need and we will find the solution. What about industrial-grade controllers? In our pickups, we use industrial controllers with guaranteed long support. Components are to stay in production for 10 to 15 years without any changes. Besides longevity, industrial controllers perform way better than consumer-grade controllers. They pass most industrial, medical, and military standards. What's more, industrial grade works with thick cover glass, gloves, and water droplets. What is the connectivity? All Riverdi industrial grade touch panels connect by USB or I2C. You can choose which display connection suits best your design and application. The USB gives you an easy access to your touch panel. It doesn't require any additional drivers. Just connect to any PC and start testing. USB is super fast and easy solution for R&D. The I2C is most popular in embedded solutions. When you work with microcontrollers, you can use the I2C interface to connect pickup internally with ZIF connector. If you are not sure which one to choose, please contact us for our expert advice. How about electromagnetic compatibility? Our touch panels meet the highest industry standards. Our pickups design takes into consideration RS radiated susceptibility, CS conducted susceptibility, and ESD electrostatic discharge. Do you need to have your display work with gloves and water? Industrial and harsh environment often means operating with gloves. That would be a problem for standard capacitive touch panels. Our pickups work fine with gloves, as well as with water droplets. You can safely install them in industrial and medical surroundings. Want to learn more about Riverdi Pickups, Projected Capacitive Touch Screens? Visit our page riverdi.com. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Our team is always there to help and guide you. And please remember to subscribe Riverdi YouTube channel. See you later in our next video.